welcome back to my channel. So all the adult budgies are out playing and the cockatiel, so I just take off the roof of the top of the budgie cage and Maxie is right there. I just take the roof of the budgie cage and I just like play. Look, there's Dove, Stormy, Albie, and Sunny. And here, focus. And here's Denny. So cute, aren't they? See if I can. That's Stormy, and that is Dove, the parent of her babies, right there. And there is they're just enjoying their hay and grass. Hold on, my bunny is gone somewhere. I don't want it to go. Maxie! Out of the garden. Out of the garden now. It's like runs off and stuff. So there's Danny boy. And there are the budgies. So it's going to be really cool when I have all the budgie babies out here. Yeah, it's going to be cool to do. So it's good to let them out in a big environment outside. Because it's a nice day just to let them out. Denny, don't bite. Hello, so hello Denny. The Denny, the cockatiel can be really feisty too. The budgies, so I don't like that. Hello, say hello, Denny. Oh, and I forgot to tell you that these are tame budgies. So they're hungry, like my ones. Bread. I can't even see. Don't get too close to him. Denny! Denny! Say hello. Where's Maxie gone? To go find Maxie. Let's go find Maxie. Oh, he's down. He's down there. Maxie, come. Maxie. Ooh, oh my god, it's scared me. Where's Jimmy? His nickname is Jimmy. Oh my god, it's hot. Back to the budgies. So yesterday I gave him a bath and stuff. Uh-oh. He's gone back over there. Hold on. So now they've all kind of joined together.